Stuck in a life you didn't exactly choose. Did you do everything you were supposed to do and still end up feeling unfulfilled? Job, bills, responsibilities. Then one day you wonder how you got here. If that question has been quietly sitting in your mind, this video is for you. Feeling stuck in a life you didn't consciously choose doesn't mean you failed. It means you're ready to choose differently now. In this video, we talk about how to stop living on autopilot and start making intentional choices that reflect who you are today, not who you were years ago. This is especially relevant for beginners who want to start an online business but feel disconnected, uncertain, or overwhelmed by where they currently are. You'll hear why reflection is a powerful first step and how releasing old expectations creates space for something better. You don't need to blow up your life. You just need clarity and permission to design a future that actually fits. The magic of starting over Digital Kit helps you reflect, release outdated paths, and intentionally build a new chapter. It's a supportive starting point if you're exploring digital products or resale rights kits as a more aligned way to move forward.